Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to Los Angeles. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and keep the aisle clear of all carry-on bags until we're parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. As a reminder, now's a good time to check around your seat and in your seat pockets for any items you brought on board. Once we're parked at the gate, be careful when opening overhead bins, as baggage may have moved during landing and can fall out.
Oh man, their announcements aren't as fun as Southwest.
On behalf of your crew, all the employees of American Airlines and our One World Alliance partners, thank you for flying with us today. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, we hope to see you again soon on another American Airlines flight. Have a great evening.
Big birds. Looks like a 777. No, you for sure know those are 747s. I think I see a 767 over there. American Airlines. Yeah, those are 767s. That's 757, same airplane we're on right now. Very pretty bird. I apologize for my stupid commentary. That's my video, and if you don't like it. Delta Airlines, flying on originally. If I could barely handle 8 hours of flying, I definitely can't handle 12 hours. There's a bus. I would think that person with the bigger transportation, or the bigger thing, has it right away. And that was right.
And we love our boy Sydney Rice.
Oh, that Emirates airline. That's a 777. That's beautiful. I want to ride in one of those. And honestly, I think the 57 is my favorite bird.
And then they said, I guess like in June, minicamp, he tweaked it and hurt it, and he went to the doctor, and they said it still looks like it should heal on some, take it easy. And then like the next time he went, they said...
And here we are at our gates.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until the captain has turned the seatbelt sign off. Flight attendants, prepare for arrival. Cross-check.
Yeah, because when he did come back, well, that one, he's making things all over.
1 LNR prepared and cross-check.
3 LNR prepared and cross-checked.